Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have today? Come along with me. We have mixed number to improper fraction. Now, a mixed number is a number that contains a whole number part and a proper fraction part. So it's a combination of a whole number, which is, for in this scenario, 3 is a whole number, and the proper fraction part. The proper fraction is one in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So without much talking, how do we do that? How do we convert this mixed number to improper fraction? An improper fraction is one in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So the first thing we do, this is 3 whole number 2 over 5. So we multiply the denominator here by the whole number. 3 times 5, 15. We add, that's 3 times 5 plus 2 over, then we'll put this over 5, the denominator. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 7 plus 2, that's 17 over 5. We are done with that. So that's how to do it. So this one, 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. So 15 over 2. The same thing again, we do that. 2 times 8, that's 16 plus 7 over my denominator here, 8. So 16 plus 7, that's 23. So 23 over 8. So 2 number 7 over 8 as a mixed number is 23 over 8. The same thing, we go for this. 10 times 8 is 80. 80 plus 5 over 8, that's 85. 85 over 8, that's the mixed improper fraction. We go again, this one, 7 times 7, 49 plus 3, 52 over 7. We go again, 3 times 2, 12, 36 plus 1, 37 over 3. And the last one, 4 times 5 plus 3. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3, 23. That's 23 over 4. So if you are asked to convert a number from a mixed number to an improper fraction, this is what you do. You multiply this, add the numerator, and that's all. Alright, I hope you have learned how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Just like in our usual slide, before we go, here are some list of take-home fun you could practice at your leisure time. The first one, convert this to an improper fraction. 8 to number 2 over 5. The second one is 9.5, 9 number 1 over 2. The third one, 6 to number 7 over 8. The fourth one, 12 to number 5 over 8. The fifth, 7 number 5 over 7. The sixth, 12 number 2 over 3. And the last one, 5 number 5 over 14. I hope you picked up a skill or two. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, share the video, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are confused about, put it in the comment section and I will attend to it. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.